Coming in, John.
Excuse me?
Break
No, there's nothing to see here.
Break it up.
Those are my buns. Leave my buns out of this. Just having some treats
just
here.
sell damn sorry for $2.50.
Yes, I did.
Beautiful. Nagy's unfriending us all for butchering his native language.
Violation.
Alright, man. Just like a regular Ikea trip.
Oh my god!
I am. We got a no-knock warrant going.
I got a bat.
Police.
Jesus.
That's how it's pronounced, okay? It's gotta be a bang at the end.
Oh, I got text. Good, I need translation. That's your new armor. I love it.
Rolling tank, let's go.
what a pair of pants you have.
Oh no, my barrel.
Oh, she's indecent. Some funny looking deer on the road, guys.
Yes, Chris. That's good eating right there, folks. Got some deer. Dadgum deer dangerous. They've got guns mounted on them now. That buck had a 12 gauge.
Okay, yeah, here it is.
Let's get some bicycles.
Gonna miss the barrel.
Well, the barrel is quick. The next evolution of transportation in Sweden was the bike.
When you think about it, there was really no other option. We're always destined for the bicycle. As the bicycle was always destined. Alright, boys.
This hill.
You gotta get some speed, Pam, like this.
Oh my god, Snaggy.
Snaggy, you okay?
What about a barrel?
Such a shortcut.
This is just it's grass, you know, a little off-roading, strengthen our legs.
I would like to put all my skills into bicycling. Coming for you, John.
I'm in the apex.
See,
Bump
it's
drafting.
easy.
Alright, guys, I'm here.
Oh no.
It's
We're
out there
not even
grinding.
level 2.
Oh shit.
Do we kill this thing?
We're gonna have to.
Bruh. Alright, whatever. Assist, yeah, perfect. I'm trying to get that lean.
No, look at me go. I'm in the apex.
You're an Apex legend.
You know it. You just call me the doc. Oh! Sorry, Pam, I was in the apex. I didn't see there. We completed a mission? I did something?
Evacuation routines in case of important public announcement.
Snaggy, what does the little note say?
Which little note?
Did you get the map just there? Here, I'll try to read it to you. It says, Everkering for VMA. Flyglarm Evacura. Oh, that's gotta be evacuate. Till Salthamns.
Yeah, oh, that was good.
Since from
So-
Omedellabart. Alright, so what's that say?